Good Monday morning, class. How are you today? Today is Monday, April the 27th. Monday, April the 27th. I'm so glad you've joined me this morning. This morning we're having lesson number 134. Lesson 134. Now, this morning, 133 is due, so have that turned in. And then tomorrow morning, this lesson will be due. Now, unfortunately, I do not have examples of every page that you should have, and that is why I've written it in the assignment, because in my lesson book, it tells me which page you need, but I do not have teacher books of some of the pages that you need. Like the number skills, K5, I don't have a book of that, so I can't show you what you need to have, but you do need to go to number skills, K5, page number 108. You need to pull that out and do it. If you have any questions, please ask them, but know that I have no way of looking at what you are seeing unless you take a picture and text it to me, okay? The other one, I believe that's the only one I don't have. Okay, so go ahead and get that book out. Again, number skills, K5, page 108. And on the back or at the bottom, I'm going to give you a series of numbers that I want you to listen and then write down the answer, okay? Can you do that for me? I know you can. Get your pencil ready, and here we go. Write down the number that goes between 7 and 9. If I were counting by ones, write the number that goes between the numbers 7 and 9. Next, write down the number that comes after 3 but before 5. After 3 but before 5. Next, write the number that comes after 13 and before 15. Write the number that counting by ones that goes between 13 and 15. Next, write the number that comes between 29 and 31. 29 and 31. After 29, before 31. Write the number that comes between 18 and 20. Write the number that comes between 18 and 20. After 18 and before 20. Okay, now that you've got number skills, K5, page 108 completed, let us go to Think and Learn. This book, Think and Learn, and you are going to do page 83. 83. It's got a picture of a tree, a flower, and a fish. Then it's got a picture of a flower, grass, and a fox. And then a picture of a fern, a frog, and a plant. Then the last group of pictures is a tree, a flower, and a pig. When you pick up that and write your name at the top, you're going to look at each set of pictures. They're grouped together in a circle. I can't turn it around and show you because it's got the answers on it. So it's going to ask you, cross out the object in each group that is not a plant. If you do not have this book, and the only person that may not have it is Layla. Layla, if you do not have this book, Think and Learn, page 83, I want you to write or draw a picture of the object in each group that is not a plant. So the plants are the ones that we want to focus on this page, and we want to cross out the one that is not a plant. Again, the first group is a tree, a flower, and a fish. The next group is a flower and a pot, grass, and a fox. The next one is a fern, a frog, and a flower. And the next one is a tree, a flower, and a pig. Again, hit pause if you need, and then do the answer, or write in the answer, or draw the picture of the one you're going to X out the one that is not a plant. It is not a plant. The next one we're going to cover is God's World. God's World, K5. We're going to go to page 16. Page 16. Page 16. This one I can show you because I have one of these. If you do not have it, which is only Layla, this is your pictures. You don't have to do any work. Right now, it's just listen, okay? God wants me to be safe. I do not do these things. I do not eat things I find on the ground or in the trash. That's unsafe. Don't do that. I do not put things into my ears. Nothing goes in your ears. You're not supposed to put your fingers or Q-tips technically in your ears. Do not put things in your ears. I do not play with fire. I do not play with fires with matches or lighters or candles. I do not play with fire. That is unsafe. Do not do that. I do not eat things from the medicine cabinet. Okay? Nowadays, sometimes we have medicine cabinets, sometimes we don't. We have an area where our mom or dad or grandparents store things in the kitchen. We do not eat medicines that we do not know. Do not do that. That is not safe. I do not play in the street. I stay on the sidewalk or in my own driveway. I do not play in the street. And what is this girl? She is running with a stick. I don't do this. Don't run with sharp objects. Remember, at school, I've taught you how to hold your scissors with the blades down in your hand so that the handles are what's up. And I've got my scissors right here. Why don't I show you? Remember how to walk with scissors? This is the only way we walk with scissors. We don't walk with knives. We don't touch knives. We leave them alone. We be careful with our scissors. How does God want me to be healthy? How does God want me to be healthy? He wants us to get a good night's sleep. Go to bed at a good hour and wake up 8 to 10 hours later, because as a younger child you need more sleep. Your body is growing so fast you need sleep at night. I exercise. I hope each and every one of you is getting out each day and going and walking around the house or playing with your dog outside, playing with your dog inside, playing jump rope and skip, all the fun things that you can do while you're at home. I get fresh air and sunshine. Fresh air is so good for you. Yes, it is. Go outside every day. You need to get vitamin D in your skin from the sun by being outside every day. I eat good meals, healthy meals. I need to eat vegetables every day. Whole grains, less sugar, juices and fruits, and all these wonderful things that you need to eat. A well-balanced meal every day. Okay, that is God's World. God's World. Today we're going to also talk about matter. Matter matters. What is matter? I'm so glad you asked. This is matter. But that's food. Yep. Matter is what all things are made of. Everything in the world is made of matter. The glass, the milk. Matter is everywhere. I'm matter. You're matter. The books matter. The phone. It's all matter. The book is made of matter. The water you drink is made of matter. Water is good and healthy. It hydrates you. You need water. Even the air you breathe is made of matter. It's little tiny particles that you can't see, but it is a gas. It is matter. The bottle is a solid. It contains a liquid and gas. Matter has 3 forms. The 3 forms are solid, liquid, and gas. Air is gas. Water and milk, that's a liquid. And then solid is the glass it comes in. The book is solid. Your skin is solid. Matter can be a solid like a chair in the classroom or at home in the dining room. Matter can be a liquid like the water in a lake, in the ocean, in the sea. Matter can be a gas like the air outside or the air inside of a balloon. What are the three forms of matter? Can you tell me? Solid, liquid, and gas. Good job. Excellent, excellent. Now, the next one that you need is number skills, arithmetic. Number skills, arithmetic, K5. We're going to go to page 108. Page 108. This is on the back of a lesson 132. And remember, I said if you want to go ahead and do it, because sometimes in class, if it's on the back, we go ahead and do it. If you waited until the proper time, that's today. Excellent job. You're going to have the numbers at the top of the page, and it's going to have a box after the numbers. The first number is 29. Write the number that comes after 29. Write the number that comes after 64. Write the number that comes after 40. Write the number that comes after 75. Write the number that comes after 10. And then you're going to have the clocks. Match the clocks that shows the same time. The clocks. Match the clocks that show the same time. And match it up to the digital clocks at the bottom. Then you're going to add. Y'all have got that one. At the bottom, you're only going to color 7 helicopters. Color 7 helicopters. Okay? Now, the next thing that we are going to get done is... That was everything. Okay. So that is lesson 34. Now, at lesson 34, if you were in class, we would have seat word explanation. I would have stuff up on the board, and you would have a blank piece of paper, and you would write cursive V. But since I only had to do to lesson 33 to cover up through last Friday, I don't have it written out for you. I know what you can do. I think I put this in everybody's folder. Should be the cursive page. If you have this, I want you to write cursive V on a blank piece of paper. I'm trying to get it close enough so you can see the directional lines. Can you see the directional lines? Where you start, it's lowercase v. You start on the bottom line. You go up, you do a curve. You don't go straight up and make a point right here. It's a curve. Then back down and another curve. Then up to the middle again, and this is where the point is, okay? Can you see that? Can you practice writing V? I hope you can. Write cursive V, okay? All right, and that is all we have for lesson 34. I will cover this one tomorrow. You do not have this book, but in Community Helpers, we're going to go over being a dentist, and this will be lesson 135, okay? Love you guys. Hope you do your pledges every morning. Your pledge to the Bible, your pledge to the Christian flag, your pledge to the American flag, and your Lord's Prayer. I miss you guys. Have a great day. Stay safe. Again, text me your pages that you have completed, or attach it to the Google Docs and send it through the classroom. Either way is acceptable. Want to make this as easy as possible for you. I miss you guys. Kindergarten is not easy doing virtual. It's so much easier when I'm in the classroom with you and I can help you at every step of the way. Miss you guys. Love you. And again, today is Monday, April the 27th. And I will see you, lesson 134. I will see you tomorrow on Tuesday for lesson 135. Love you guys. Text or leave a question on the classroom if you have a question. And I'll see you later. Have a great day.